Welcome. In today's video, we will present you how TradeMatch copy trading platform works. TradeMatch is a copy trading platform launched to provide access to financial markets for investors who don't have the time or the inclination to learn trading, but wish to explore the profit potential available. Investors can select and copy trading strategies provided by advanced traders. TradeMatch aims to provide an environment where even a complete novice can maximize their profit potential. By joining TradeMatch, you can find and copy experienced traders with performance that answers your investment goals. All you need to do is select a trading strategy according to your investment appetite and add it to your account. To support your decision-making process, you can rely on several features such as ranking lists, performance evaluation based on various criteria, and risk management system. Let's have a look in more details. Why TradeMatch? The lucrative profit potential of the financial market is alluring to millions of people globally. However, not everyone is inclined or has the inspiration to become a professional trader. TradeMatch is developed to provide access to the potential profits of the financial markets for investors with no or limited experience. The platform aims to ease the connection between the investors and the traders by providing them with powerful technology and user-friendly interface. Our mission is to make investing in the financial markets accessible to everyone by empowering investors with all necessary tools to make an informed decision. At the same time, advanced traders can share their knowledge and expertise with a growing number of global investors and get rewarded for each profitable trade copied. TradeMatch is created to ease the connection between the investors and the traders by providing them with powerful technology and user-friendly interface. The trading platform main advantage is its simplicity and effortless utilization. Joining TradeMatch is free and it takes only a few steps to start. Your TradeMatch experience starts at tradematch.live. As an investor, your first step is to select a trading strategy most suited to your requirements. Traders appear in ranking lists and you can monitor and compare their profiles. If you click on each trader's name, you can review their entire profile. You can compare various parameters such as trading since inception, absolute gain, maximum drawdown, and average monthly performance. Additionally, the performance of the trading strategy is evaluated by the TradeMatch verification team according to 5 different criteria. Those are risk level, number of copies, drawdown level, asset under management, and best monthly performance. Based on how the trading strategy answers these criteria, traders move up and down in the rankings. This is a helpful feature as it enables you to shortlist trading strategies that best answer your needs. When you're ready with the selection of the trading strategy to copy, press the Join button and follow the registration process steps. You will need to add information such as your name, a telephone number, address, and other standard information required when you make an online registration. As with every process where a financial transaction is involved, you will also need to verify your identity with a copy of your passport or ID card. Once the registration process is complete, you can open your investment account. To do that, you need to select a preferred funding and withdrawal method. TradeMatch provides you with the popular methods including bank and card transfers. Place your initial deposit in the preferred from you currency by selecting between UK pounds, US dollars, or euro. An important step in your TradeMatch experience is understanding the importance of applying risk management to every trading strategy you will copy. TradeMatch provides you with a powerful risk management system. Adjusting the risk level will allow you to make more balanced decisions. You can modify 3 different parameters: multiplier index, take profit, and stop loss. To learn more about what these parameters means and how you can adjust the risk levels, please watch our video, How to Adjust the Risk Level Settings on Your Account. After you determine the risk level settings, you are ready to add the selected trading strategy to your account. When you add the selected trading strategy to your account, the platform will automatically start placing trades on your behalf, copying the actions of the traders you follow. You can monitor the performance of your account anytime you wish. Additionally, you can apply different changes, such as adding or removing trading strategies and adjusting the risk level settings. At TradeMatch, we aim to provide a trustworthy environment where both investors and experienced traders can enjoy mutually beneficial collaboration. Therefore, we operate under a strict transparency policy by providing detailed profiles and performance results data. Profiles are public and available for all users to monitor and review. All TradeMatch clients open a broker account with Match Securities. Match Securities is an internationally recognized financial company specializing in CFD and Forex trading. Authorized and regulated by FCC Mauritius, Match Securities operate in various countries in Africa, Asia, and the Middle East. Retail and institutional clients of Match Securities can trade on various financial markets, including Forex, commodities, and indices. TradeMatch is suitable for investors with limited understanding and experience in the financial markets, as it offers them an easy-to-start process, various features to help them select the right trading strategy, and effective risk management systems. At the same time, traders with good understanding of the markets and successfully performing strategies can share them via TradeMatch copy trading platform and earn extra remuneration each time someone copies their profitable trades. TradeMatch supports your experience with ongoing technical support and other possible inquiries. To learn more and start your copy trading, visit tradematch.live. To learn more about Match Securities, visit matchsecurities.com. Thank you for watching. Until next time.